Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss lesson 11, the virus question and answer. So let's start this video. Answer the following. Question number first. What is computer virus? Name its type. A computer virus is a program or a set of program that disturbs the normal operation of a computer. It enters the computer without the user's knowledge and destroys data. The types of virus are Trojan horse, worms, and spyware. Means computer virus is a program, a set of program that disturbs the normal operation of a computer. And computer virus is developed by the developer. It enters the computer without the user's knowledge, without the permission of the users, and destroy data. The types of virus are Trojan horse, worms, and spyware. These are the types of computer virus. And computer virus destroy data and multiple file of data. Means when you open one file and inside another file folder. So this is such type of a problem create when virus enter in your computer. Question number 2. Write any 3 possible symptoms of virus in a computer. A virus can cause problems in a computer in many ways, such as: first, decreasing the speed of a computer by decreasing the memory. Means through virus decreasing the speed of computer by decreasing the memory. Means memory is decreased and speed of computer is decreased. Second point, causing strange movements or pattern on the screen. Means show the different types of movements and pattern on the screen when virus enter in your system. Question point 3, displaying unusual message like your PC is stone. Means display the unusual message on your computer. Means no any message you typed, but different type of message show on your computer when any virus enter in your system. So such type of symptoms when you find, it means in your computer have some virus. So you can use antivirus to sort out such type of problem. Question number 3. What do you understand by the term spyware? Spyware is a type of malware that is installed on computers and collect information about users without their knowledge. Means spyware is a type of malware that is installed on computers and collect information about user without the user permission. Spyware programs secretly monitor the user's computing. Sometimes they also change computer settings that result in slow connection speed and wrong functionality of other programs. Means sometimes spyware perform different type of functions like change the computer settings and your connection speed is slow and show the different type of message wrong functionality of the program. So this is the spyware, this is the type of malware, and all these things related to virus. Next, question number 4. Explain the term Trojan horse. Trojan horse. The Trojan horse are simple programs that pretend to be useful applications while they always do something destructive. Mostly they damage a computer like erasing a disk. They are not self-replicating. A Trojan horse can spread only when it is copied to another system. Means Trojan horse is a simple program that pretend to be useful application while they always do something destructive. Mostly they damage the computer like erasing disk. Means when Trojan horse enter in your computer, they erase your hard disks. And Trojan horse is not self-replicating. A Trojan horse can spread only when it is copied to another system. When you copy one system to another system, means transfer any file, then Trojan horse move one system to another system. Question number 5th, write any 3 ways that can help in preventing a virus infection. Means here write the 3 ways, help in 3 ways to preventing a virus infection. To prevent virus infection, follow given steps. First, every PC should be equipped with some antivirus program. Means every PC have some antivirus program, which is easy way to find virus. Second, always scan the pen drive before copying file. Always scan the pen drive before copy file. When you are copy, when you use any pen drive via memory card, then you can scan. Then after that you open and perform your task. Third point, do not install pirated software. Do not install pirated software. Means when you install any pirated software, then easy way to enter a virus in your system. So you do not install pirated software, avoid pirated software. Means there are 3 ways that can help in preventing a virus infection in your system. Question number 6, briefly explain antivirus software. Name the antivirus software which is being used in your school computer. Means antivirus software is a computer program which is designed to identify, prevent and remove virus from your computer. Means antivirus software is a computer program which is designed to identify, prevent and remove virus from your computer. There are so many antivirus now present times: Quick Heal, Norton, Avira. But now here second question, name the antivirus software which is being used in your school campus. In our school campus, use Quick Heal antivirus software. Quick Heal. Quick Heal. Quick Heal antivirus software you install in your computer to prevent antivirus. Means through the if you install any type of antivirus software, then you prevent enter the computer virus when you are using internet, sending email. When you use pen drive, connect to pen drive to your system, then you can easily to prevent, identify the virus and remove it. Thanks. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. Each and every students write on your copy and learn them. If you face any problem, contact my personal number. Thanks.